everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have a diamond painting unboxing for you. So I do a lot of unboxings. I love my diamond painting collection. I've been working really hard lately to try and finish my kitten so that I can get the next one set up. At the end, I'm ready for the next one. I want to do the next one. But I've been diamond painting more than normal lately. And yesterday, I just about cried from the pain in my arm and my shoulder. You know, I had a stroke and my left arm was gone completely. And now, almost 3.5 years later, I can do things with it. See how my finger is very slow to open up? It's very weak, and I call it my wibble wobble arm. I try not to hold mugs of hot beverages with it. But diamond painting has been very therapeutic for me. I noticed right away that I had more mobility. It's amazing how doing this for a couple hours affects the top of your arm and the muscles in your bicep. So it's been very sore just from me doing a little more than normal. Oh, this is beautiful. This is like a little Venice scene. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bridge and a gondola and some buildings, and the light is reflected in the water. Very pretty. It's 38 colors. There's the image. And I'll put the picture up for you. It is 100% confetti, which I love. I think that comes out so beautiful. And it has the clear plastic, which I really like because I like to work all over, and then I work until the plastic cover falls off because there's nowhere for it to stick anymore. And then I just keep going till I'm done. That's my method. 38 colors. The symbols are very clear, very nice. Here's the toolkit. It's a standard green boat with a big chunk of wax and a pink pen and some bags. You see that? I'm sorry. Here you go. You can see that. Very nice, and the colors are beautiful. There's a lot of sky and clouds and buildings, so you can see there's nothing bright or, you know, crazy neon. It's all very lovely muted palette. It is a full drill round, 46 by 36. And I will put the inventory information in the description along with the link. Wow, it's really pretty. It's just beautiful. You know, and I think that this is a smaller size, which is kind of funny because I'm doing a 25 by 25 right now, and it's just taking me forever. So, you know, it may be a smaller size, but that is a lot of drills. A lot of drills. Wow, beautiful colors. I see like a golden yellow and a rose red and a lavender. Very nice. Just beautiful. So that's the end. Nice kit. I would highly suggest this one. It's just beautiful. Be fun to do. Full drill round. I said that, right? Full drill round. And you have a great day. And take care, and happy diamond painting. If you have any questions, you can email me or put something in the comments. I read them and respond. Come hit our Facebook group. There's a lot of really nice people in there. And you have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.